Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make normal oatmeal using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need just 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of your preferred liquid, like water or milk. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Plus, have your favorite toppings ready, whether it's fresh fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. A small saucepan and a spoon are all the equipment you'll need to get cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Pour your 1/2 cup of rolled oats into the saucepan. Add 1 full cup of water or milk, whichever you prefer for a creamier or lighter texture. Sprinkle in that small pinch of salt. Place the saucepan on your stovetop and bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Remember to stir it occasionally to keep the oats from sticking to the bottom and to ensure everything cooks evenly. Once your oatmeal mixture reaches a gentle boil, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently. This helps the oats absorb the liquid and become wonderfully creamy. Keep an eye on it until it reaches your preferred thickness. Some like it thicker, others a bit looser. After cooking, remove the saucepan from the heat and let your oatmeal rest for just 1 to 2 minutes. This allows it to set perfectly. Now for the best part, serving and customizing. Carefully spoon your warm, perfectly cooked oatmeal into your favorite bowl. This is where you can truly make it your own. Add a splash of milk, a spoonful of brown sugar, fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. The possibilities are endless for creating a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Take a moment to savor your homemade, comforting bowl of oatmeal. Enjoy every warm bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.